everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook grilled tuna steak and green bean served with tomato and cucumber salad. Okay, for the ingredient I have 300 grams of tuna steak, some salt and pepper, olive oil, green bean, tomato, cucumber, onion, parsley, and lime. And I also have boiling water, and right now I'm going to cook green bean inside. Add some olive oil to make the green bean cook faster and soft. And then I'm going to continue cooking the green bean about 5 minutes. Okay, right now after 5 minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat and drain the green beans and rinse with the cold water. Okay, right now I'm going to cut all the vegetables to make the salad. Now I'm going to add all the vegetables inside the bowl and add a little bit of salt, some lime juice, and some olive oil, and then mix everything together. Okay, for the tuna steak, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some olive oil for both sides. In the hot pan, I'm going to add the tuna inside. Okay, after cook about 3 minutes, right now the tuna steak is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer to the plate. Right now I'm going to add some green bean on the plate, and then add the tuna steak inside, and add some salad. Okay, right now everything is ready and it looks so delicious. So right now I'm going to taste it. It tastes so good.